The Aspen Air Purifier can easily be added into your smart home ecosystem. To connect your Aspen Air Purifier to the AspenHome app, first download the app from the App Store. Create your login info and sign into your account. With the Aspen Air Purifier that you would like to connect to, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds until you hear 3 beeps. Release the power button and it will begin to flash red and blue. Go into the AspenHome app and on the top right corner, tap on the plus icon. Select Air Purifier and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device. After you finish pairing, you will be taken to the dashboard. From here, you will have full access to the controls on your air purifier. You can adjust the fan speed, turn the power on or off, and set a schedule for your air purifier. You can also set child lock, turn on or off the lights, check the air quality status compared to the outdoors, and reset your filter lifetimer. For more helpful user guides, visit us at www.theaspen.com.